Right, welcome back. In today's class, we're talking about comments, break, and horizontal rule. Alright, comments, break, and horizontal rule. Right, comment is used to make reference to your code. Make reference to like make your code easy for them to read. For example, you have many code, you have millions of code. It helps to segregate each of them, group them in different places. Like help you like you have to indicate that this place belongs to this place belongs to this, and this part belongs to this. Right? Make your code easy to read. And not this comment, write the word, highlight the word, then comment. Now let's go to our VS Code. Let me show you how to do it now. Right? Okay, let me just use something. Let me use paragraph. Right? Let me use paragraph. So I love my okay. Let me just write something. All right, let me just write something. So I want to switch on the browser as well. Okay, say I love my country. I want to comment on this paragraph. Say I I love my country, right? I think we should have it here, right? Now if you want to comment on this now, if you want to comment on this one here, right? First thing I'll do, first of all, highlight it, then I'll press press control, hold the control down and press forward slash. I see it now, it's no longer showing on the browser, but on my code now it's showing. Alright, it's showing on my code, on my text editor. You just do code, it's showing here. Okay, let me use here as an example. Okay, let me say talk about this place, or let me say start, or let me stop and say start um um ordered list ordered list ordered list session session. Right, so what it's telling me now, it's telling me that this part now, this place now belongs to order list. I can highlight it now, then I press control forward slash. I see, but it's not showing here. But this one, if I give this my code my fellow coders or developer, they will be able to understand that this part belongs to ordered list. If I say end, I can actually come here and say end ordered list. Sorry, on ordered list session. I say this place belongs to end ordered list session, right? Just in the browser, it's showing on the browser, right? But if I comment on it now, comment, it will show again. Control forward slash. It will show on the browser. But here is make my code readable to people. Right? Make my code what? Readable to people, right? Make my code readable to people, to my fellow developers. Alright? Now let's talk about comments. Let's talk about break, alright? Talk about break, right? Let's talk about break now. Now, okay, let me uncomment this now. Uncomment this. Uncomment it. Right? You still press control forward slash to uncomment it. I'm showing here, right? Let's say break is used to break and to break content or elements to start from a new line. Let's say that I want this my country, this country start from new line here. Right? Start from new line, this new line here. I'll come here, I'll write break, write B arrow. B arrow means break. Right? Since it's helping to break this paragraph now, content paragraph now of the country to start from new line. Let me use this one here. Let's use this one here, right? This one I have here my first website. Look at this one. I want this my first website to start from new line. I'll come here, I'll press spacebar, I'll press B arrow. Alright, B arrow. Alright, I just need to break this one, make it to start from new line. Okay, let's work with break. Alright, next one, talk about horizontal line. Horizontal line. Horizontal line means used to draw lines. Right? Used to draw line. And the tag for horizontal line is H arrow. Let's say that I want to Let's say now I want to draw a line here. I want to draw a line under this under this my name of country, right? I'll come here now. So I just come here, I write H arrow. H arrow means horizontal rule or line. Alright. I'll say H arrow to help me draw a line here. Lines. Let's say I want to do this under here as well. Line here. I'll come here, I'll write H arrow. Excellent. Help me to draw lines. Lines. Okay. I'll write about this under this or under list here. I'll come here, I say H arrow. I'll click on H arrow again. Excellent. Now you help me to draw lines here. Lines. Alright, is it clear? I hope you understand this now.